In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a blend on Spotify. So a blend is like a playlist that involves your friends. So you see the music they listen to and they also see the music you listen to too as well. So on Spotify, to create a blend, you tap on the create at the bottom right of your screen. So you just tap on that. Good. And you can see three options: a playlist, a collaborative playlist, and also a blend. So you just tap on the blend there. Good. And you can see that's my profile, and I can invite up to 10 friends to a blend. You get it? So I need to invite them. After inviting them, when they join, that's when the playlist is going to be accumulated, and I can be able to change the name of the blend and all that. So here you just tap on the invite here, and then you choose people you want to send to them. So if you want to send it on WhatsApp, you send it to them on WhatsApp. After they join, you'll be able to change the picture and everything, the name and everything, and rename it. So that's it on how you create a blend on Spotify. If you are new here, just give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.